on TweetDeck. And TweetDeck is a beta project, and so it's still in research right now. It's ran on Adobe Air desktop. It's really great because it's your personal browser. You can pretty much do anything you want to, right from one little interface of your own. So let's look at
Krista, I'd be interested in who has TweetDeck here, because I do.
Oh,
I use TweetDeck. Who uses it?
It's so much fun. Well, I was surprised. I thought everybody would have it. So when you log in, it's really easy. The way you create your own TweetDeck is you first make your own Twitter account, and then you download the application to your computer, and then you log in. And when you log in, this is the first screen you'll see. You'll see all the tweets of your friends. You'll have the replies you've gotten and your direct messages. The great thing about TweetDeck is that it gives you it'll let you know when your friends actually make a notification. And so this will pop up on the right corner of your screen normally. Now, there's also the TweetDeck search, which means if you've done any searches on Tweet in general, and you have a specific topic you're interested in, each time somebody makes a comment about that topic, it'll come up in your search column on your TweetDeck.
Can I add something? Because this took me like an hour to figure out, but you see that white bar on the bottom? Well, you can have up to, I don't know, 10 or 12 columns, but I never could find the ones on the right because I didn't know I had to scroll over with that thing down there.
It's also really cool because I can go back on up here. It also gives you the option to make your URL shorter, which is really nice. So you're not taking up a whole bunch of space on your TweetDeck. Let's see, and on your postings. The best one that I found that has to do with the TweetDeck is creating your own group. Because, you know, we all have a whole bunch of people that are following us. Well, maybe not a whole bunch, but hundreds or thousands potentially. And so you don't probably want to have all the notifications of every single person all the time. You want to know exactly what your best friends maybe are saying on there. So what you do is you go on your TweetDeck, you click on the little icon that looks like two shadows, and then what you do is you just select the people that you want in the group. And once you're done doing that, you're going to have a column just for that group. And so you can...
So I have one group that just has my students.
Exactly.
So
then you always see what your students are saying. You don't have to...
So you have one column where like everything comes in, and you can have one with just your students. You can have one just with your friends.
Exactly.
And then when somebody direct messages you, that's in a separate column.
Exactly.
It's very cool.
It's so organized. Instead of, because right now, if you're just on Twitter, you're getting like message after message after message, but it's not organized where you can see each thing clearly. So by using TweetDeck, it gives you the ability to see what everybody's saying in an organized fashion. So here is the example of how it would look on your computer. Of course, you can have more lines probably. And then my favorite feature is Facebook, because I just created a Facebook account. And so now what you can do is you click on the little F that's up here. This is a toolbar. It has a wide variety of things you can click on. It has you can keep informed on stock market messaging. And anyway, so the Facebook one is great. And what it does is it brings up your friends' current status on your TweetDeck. And so you can see what your friends are doing from one place while you're also tweeting. All right, so additional features of TweetDeck is that it's in real time, which means that it updates pretty frequently. I kind of refresh personally, but it's supposed to update by itself. You can also view your TweetPics on there. It pops up directly on your screen.
What are your TweetPics? What does that mean?
If your friend uploads a TweetPic, it actually will come up on your screen without having to open additional.
Okay, I don't know what a TweetPic is. What's it?
Like you take a picture and you upload it into your Twitter.
You can upload a picture. Okay.
All right. And it's just nice because you don't have to open additional windows and overload everything. There's also a Twitter scope, and there's a 12 seconds. 12 seconds is so you can upload videos into your Twitter, which is kind of cool.
12 seconds worth of videos? Or
it's for, we have your 12ers, which are, I guess, your top 12 people. And then you can also upload your videos, short clips only, into your TweetDeck, and your Twitter in general. And then, of course, there's additional ones as well. So it's really cool. If you guys haven't checked it out, you should. It helps to organize so much better than just going to turn it over to